Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. So today I am back with a new topic, which is how to create your own QR code. Sounds interesting? Yeah, let's start. To create any QR code, there are many websites available on the internet. So I'm going with qrstuff.com here, qrstuff.com. This website designs very basic QR code. So let's start with this. First of all, you have to enter the data type, what kind of link you are having. For example, I am having a link of Instagram profile. I have my Instagram profile. So second is content or username or your URL. So I am putting it here like this. I have already copied it. And then third is my style, size and resolution you want. The file type, you can use file as PNG, PDF. So all are available and I will make it PNG. Okay, then we have the dots, these dots here. The color of the dots, I want to change it to this one. See, it has changed. So whatever color I want, I can change it. See, I have chosen it, and the shape, I want rounded squares. See, the dots has gone rounded squares, and the corners also I want rounded. See, so in this way you can choose the color combinations for your QR code. You can see the preview here, and we have also few templates for this QR code here. See, there are many templates available for different kind of social media, but these templates are paid. See, these features require a paid subscription, and that is the reason we are not going for it. We just want the free ones. So there are few other options of color combinations here. I have done one here. As you can see, the dots here are green and then orange and some dark pink or maroonish color I have used. But as I told you in the starting of this, that this site is for the basic ones. That means it will provide you the QR code with the monocolor. That means only one color. So it will be only one colored QR code. Let me show you how does it look after downloading. We will download it from here. See, it has been downloaded. And when I will open this up, see, I have only this thing. No other color is here. This is monocolor. Let's go to the other website which will make our QR code color. So this is the another website for colored QR code generator. This is known as Unitag QR or unitag.io/QR code. So here we have, first of all, we will select what is the type of QR code we are generating. For web and social networks, I can simply paste my URL, or other types are also there. If I want to generate a QR code for any text or any business card, so that when the person is scanning your QR code, the direct business card will open up or the phone number will open up, it is for that. So I am pasting here the URL which I used previously for Instagram profile here and confirm. Now in the this QR code is generated. Now in the second section, customization, you can see there are a lot of options here, and besides that we have templates as well. There are many templates. So I'm choosing this one because it is related to my Instagram profile. So I will select this one. Now I can customize it. For example, colors, if I want to select the color here, I can select the color as this color I want. Do this. Next option we have is overlaid image. So overlay images for the paid subscription, so I cannot demonstrate it here. Then we have shaded colors, which will say that I will have shades here. So for example, I'm choosing one shade as the above one and the one shade as the green, this shade. Okay, and see here I am choosing this, and I can show you that here. See, so it is giving you the shading in horizontal way. Similarly, I can choose the shading in different way. Shading type we have given here: diagonal, radial, Okay, so this is all types of shading we can do here. So let's stick with the horizontal one. Now next is we have look. Look is actually these modules are these ones which are inside, and eyes are these ones. So if I'm making the eyes like this, see the eyes have been changed here, and let it be. I can change the roundness and make them dots, arrows, anything whichever I want, rectangular, so many options are there. Then the logo also I cannot change because it is for the paid subscription. Then we have eyes. So these all are eyes, these three are eyes here, and these outer ones are known as external eyes, and these ones are known as internal eyes. So you can also change the color of these eyes. For example, if I want to choose the color as this one, for this eye, this I want this green color, and similarly you can change for all the eyes here. See, I have done this. I forgot to tell you one thing, that we can place this logo anywhere in this entire QR code picture. So we will go to the logo and placement here. This is the automatic one which has been already done, and by going into the manual we can place this logo anywhere we want. For example, I am keeping it here and save it. Okay, then the last option we have is background color. So it will look very funny, although I am just telling you for the demonstration purposes. So this is the background color I have applied here. It's not looking good at all. See, even this is not looking good, but still we will do this. And now finally, when I'm done with designing my logo, I will download the QR code. So here we'll press this next button, download QR code. You can have the link as well here. It's being downloaded. So after downloading, I got these three files here. One is horizontal, one is vertical, and one is normal, the JPG or PNG picture. So I will show you the vertical one. See, this is how it looks like, and you can share it with your friends or wherever you want to share, via WhatsApp or emails, anything, and they just need to scan it, and your link which you have given here will open. Also, these QR scanning apps are available on Google Play Store in Android devices and App Store in iOS devices. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is useful to you. So keep on creating the QR codes and have fun. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy learning. I'll be back with a new topic. Bye bye.